To wire our stats, simply open the stat. And for the zoning, you need to wire it to off and common. So what we're looking for is a closed circuit. So when there's no heat demand, this will send a closed circuit to the indoor and tell it to turn off. And when the circuit is opened, it'll allow the heating to run. So any stats that you're using, always make sure to have it on the common and the off 2 wires. So in this case, we're wiring to 1 and 2. We do not use the on signal like traditional stats. It's the common and the off position for the closed circuit.